Aloha. This is Josh Marcy. For those of you that don't know me, I'm that guy there. And on behalf of the math department in Western Wyoming Community College, we are so excited with these changes in Fall 22. I decided to create a short video. So you have received information. Bullets are always fun, but I'm not going to dwell on this because if you're watching this, you received an email with those bulleted changes. Technology and me don't always see eye to eye. You've also received this chart with the new math placement scores for ALEX and ACT. There is some SAT scores as well, but most students here enter through one of these means. So you have access to this, and there's more information uh, within each program and what course they need. But this is a great start to quickly identify what math course they can take based on test scores. All right, I had a little fun with this. It really doesn't look like this, but the old one, it was quite complex. This is our flow chart, right, of all the math courses and what they can take, and I converted it to an NFL playbook, X's and O's here, and all these options. So you will appreciate the new flow chart that is made. Right? Sigh of relief. Um, the math department was tasked to try to minimize the number of developmental courses taken to get our students graduated on time. And in the process of doing so, we noticed a few changes that needed to be made. And so these are all of the courses offered, um, and a beautiful flow chart thanks to Lucy Stevens. And so let's talk about a few of the big changes that were in the bullets. First off, the 720, 760, those are gone. We omitted some material and are trying to condense to be effective and yet meet the needs of the students for both math and their science and technology, any degree, right? We try to get all the input we could and condense what we could. The 920 and 930 are now broken into simply 934 for the most part. But for our students that need even more remediation, we do still have 900. It's not as intense as it was. And notice Math 1000 for those that are taking that route through Math 1000 problem solving and stats. All they need to do is Math 900. We took out the co-requisite courses on the flowchart, but they still exist. So maybe someone who is so close to placing Math 1000, they could still knock it out in one semester with that co-req. Okay, that is still there, just for the simplicity of the flow chart. We were trying to keep things simple here to show this flow. Same thing with 1400. If they only need to get through 1400, they can still do that co-req 931 and knock out 1400 with their co-req in one course if they were really, if they scored high enough on the ALEX 2 or ACT to not quite make 1400, but they needed that for their program. 900, well, you could read the flow chart, only goes into 1000 or 934. That was a bullet point. And what else we reintroduced, once upon a time, Western had 1450 here. What is that? It's college algebra and trig in one semester. So we're trying again to get these students with all their math that they need in the 2 years that they are here. If they weren't quite calculus ready, rather than taking a full year of math, they can take 1450. It is a 5-credit course and directly go into Calc 1. As the Last bullet reads, any questions, our emails are provided. My name again is Josh Marcy, jmarcy at westernwyoming.edu, or contact Sarah or Lucy, and their emails are also provided. Thanks for watching.